Let's quickly learn the difference between mean, median, mode and range with simple examples and explanation. First topic, mean. Mean is also known as arithmetic mean or average. To find mean, we simply add all the numbers and divide by how many numbers there are in total. Simply add and divide. Let's solve an example. Let's say 5 students scored 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. To find mean, the simple step is to add and divide. Let's make a formula. Let's say total marks scored divided by the total number of students. First step, to find the total marks scored, we will be adding all the marks scored, that is 70 plus 75 plus 80 plus 85 plus 90. The answer is 400. This was step number 1. Now step number 2 is to divide the total marks scored by the number of students. The total marks scored is 400 divided by the number of students. As here in the question, this number of students is clearly mentioned, that is 5. So we will be dividing the total marks scored by 5. If suppose it wasn't mentioned, then we will be simply counting the total marks or the total data given. So total data was given was 5. So simply divide by 5. So 400 divided by 5, the answer will be 80. Therefore, the mean is equal to 80. Now the second topic is median. Median means the number in the middle when all the numbers are arranged in order. Simply the middle value. Let's solve an example. Let's use the same scores 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. Since these data are already in order, we don't need to make them in order. So therefore now let's pick the middle number 1, 2. Now only one number is left, which is the middle number, that is 80. And we found the median. Median is the middle value, so median is equal to 80. But what if we had an even number of scores or data? For example, 60, 70, 75, 80. Since here only 4 values are available, which is the even number of scores, there's no single middle number. Let's try to calculate the middle number. 1, 2. Since here there is no single middle number, so we will be taking in the two middle numbers, that are 70 and 75. Now this is not the median. We have to calculate now 2 steps. The step number 1 is to adding these both the numbers, that is 70 plus 75, which is equal to 145, and then divide the given answer, that is divide the 145 with 2. So 145 divided by 2 is equal to 72.5, which is the given median. We are not done yet. In the next part, we will continue breaking down mode and range with more fun and easy examples. So don't miss it. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for part 2 to our CK. Meet you in the next video. Till then, happy learning!